Hello everyone, this is my review of the CVlife Spartan Scope. The 20 to 60 times magnification and large 8mm objective lens deliver sharp, bright images ideal for bird watching, shooting targets, and wildlife observation. The package includes a tabletop tripod, smartphone adapter, carrying bag, and cleaning cloth, a great starter kit. The dual focus system makes framing and honing in a breeze. I spotted details clearly at long distances over 300 yards with steady quality. Water-resistant build ensures it holds up under rain and fog. The rugged rubber armor and extendable sunshade are excellent additions. Bottom line, it's a great versatile scope for enthusiasts and beginners alike. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.